And then he has contributed a lot to entertainment industry. The way now Otieno, he is bigger than politics. And then, yes, sure, he's bigger than politics. And then being in the entertainment industry, ono akasa nim de ebeboa industry amana konenim, ene de emboa mane konenim. Sebi we have two parties most of the time no the domain Sebi Ghana ha how elections no ACT no. Abeiku Santana being an NDC, there is no way say NPP the policy biba obe you said menche obe jiatum.
Oh, okay.
You will never support.
When I say
sure. But he being in the entertainment industry our Osaya tourism ambassador I was say enka ade policies bi wono ma sebi open yama entertainment industry and you can say or follow political party bi.
Okay.
But then I was say oboa the ebeboa ma entertainment industry na yede akonenim.
Okay.
Sebi NPP and NDC obia wo ne policies they all have ambitions omu pa. And there is no way say baomi can we ebe side with the other.
Okay.
Definitely the one will pull. And Abeiku Santana so your father overfie. And then every man be overfie you have plans. There is no way say obetime plan be better. Not so obi be discourage you like you wouldn't be happy.
Yeah.
And everything is possible. And say so your word, digital world. The word
yes.
And then you have Baomia. It's not as if he hasn't done it before. He's someone or a digital man. He has who says so to meet now fear. No matter your friend is say what's your light bill. So everything can happen.
Oba must let queens to fear no be afraid. Just digitalization the fact was young as a was circle crown no space about some man for no be at fear we afraid another. I can't say members okay members so the super.
And they says Sebi your streaming word.
Oh yes.
Your word that Sebi what they want you be kokoto baby ubenya sika free.
Yes.
And everything has advantage and disadvantages.
Yes.
Sebi your head timer Nana Akufo-Addo car say what the free SHS beba no. We had any opponent or car say it wouldn't be possible. But then what they buy
okay.
But are they buying a boy? But yes, our disadvantage. I feel say Abia na Abeiku Santana the obet media jina so e they are back in the party no disadvantage side of that your friend is streaming app no GMS app no.
Yeah.
Say ke ebi or the buy so no the buy and ka obenya crofo ma na support wo. But the okan na like main side with him they say or say Nigerians for your home industry app for app on buy. Doesn't mean said the first money for app on buy.
My mana.
And my famba.
Okay.
And then I didn't know what team. Seven away your penny 14. And then has a GMS app now. It's not your friend is say national but then a private owner they now want to nationalize it.
Okay.
And like let's see the outcome. Even though say obi the policies ba ebeboama ne party no let's look at music, let's look at movies, let's look at football.
Okay.
These are things that ebuama or mindjina. If these three things are able to like standard or mind to me jina.
Okay.
Ema enkronkro bebre etimi say utu nipa we ofrigana.
Okay.
So what you say nipa we ofrigana say be sane Mr. Bright kan no. Ghana yehu ye because of our football. And then they even knew Ghana because of high life emrebi. Your high life emrebi no. And e san so boy ma yehu high life.
Yes.
Enti no sabi the first Nigerians for emfa no, we can't.
Me and Tanasi Momo Fama me and
No, and Abeiku is bigger than that.
Okay.
Sure.
So Lily me das